It went from this incredible day to that I'm about to watch the most insane disaster. If it goes too early, you're jumping 15 feet to coping. If you jump just a little bit off, you're jumping 30 feet to the flat ground. I was like so sketched out. I couldn't even, like, I was so off in the corner, just like on each one, just like, ah.
Him jumping out of the helicopter, I thought was the coolest thing ever. I was just like, oh my God, it was absolutely mind-blowing.
When he landed into that thing, it felt so absolutely incredible.
Yeah, you better think about it.
Everybody was going to have to step up after seeing that in the magazine.